it is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. Old Trafford rising to the occasion as only Old Trafford can. Some terrific scenes at the Stretford end. And there are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained, but if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
There's the whistle. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, a player who's learned fast for me is Luke Shaw, a fullback who likes to involve himself in matters at the offensive end of the pitch, but he covers the ground with speed and a good work ethic, so I think he's coming on really well.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about how they get the best out of him. And they've been caught out here. Goes for goal! Decent enough try.
Oh, it's a very good effort. There wasn't much wrong with that at all. We're talking fine margins now.
Forward it goes. Good take, and the finish! They've scored!
Oh, what a cracking goal, but a cracking touch as well. That's what made it for me. That's brilliant play all round.
So, a breakthrough already. Wan-Bissaka.
Manchester United have pushed both fullbacks into quite advanced positions here.
Yeah, that's interesting. So what are they attempting to do?
Well, it's a bold attempt, in my opinion, to occupy the opposition in a way they're not expecting.
Lindelof. Complaints about that challenge, robust but fair. They've played it short. Not had too much on it. Toni Kroos, Samu Castillejo, McTominay does well there, alert, good clearance and very necessary. Let us put a stop to that. Fred. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Come back to the keeper. Keeper sends it forward. Oh, good interception. Vida goes looking. This is promising. first 45 minutes are up. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
I'm sure they'll be very happy with their first half performance and the scoreline. They'll definitely want to maintain their momentum now and finish the job.
Darlington come in, having established that lead, a game where the narrative is, at least in terms of the scoreline, so far so good. Here we go again. Darlington carrying a one-goal lead. That's a pop!
I really don't think you could expect anything better from the goalkeeper then. We're near heroic territory.
He's in! Oh, shooting chance! And for a moment, time stood still. Bruno Fernandes. And that's a throw-in. Shaw. Shaw has got himself a free kick. Bruno Fernandes. Greenwood. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Away from immediate danger. How about a shot? Shoots! It's a carbon copy of the previous miss.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Bruno Fernandes, and the shot! And that could come back to haunt them.
Oh, he can't hide away from how important that was.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Wan-Bissaka. Wan-Bissaka plays it forward. This could... He's gone for it!
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now.
Has a hit! And in it goes! And this is getting better and better. Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Yeah, it looks simple, Peter, but it requires intelligent use of space and good understanding to pull it off.
Two up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Yeah, looks very much like the final nail in the coffin for me, I have to say.
And that's it. Solid, if not especially fancy, always in control. They did enough to win it. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Darlington were very impressive here.